Punjab means 5 rivers, and the Ravi is one of them. Its waters come from the Himalayas and are divided between India and Pakistan. They drain through the Indus River in Pakistan into the Arabian Sea. I fell in love with this river from the first time I saw it, and I felt the urge to go near. One of the superstitions surrounding the Ravi is that if you throw money into it, you'll receive 10,000 times that amount. Do you remember my friend Farida? She and I found a driver to bring us there. From Lahore, we crossed the bridge by car and drove 15 minutes.
Amazing.
Until we reached the island, where we had the chance to visit the Baradari of Kamran Mirza.
Oh, il n'y a pas d'eau.
Non, mais on va aller prendre le bateau.
Pour repartir?
Ouais.
Ouais. On peut faire ça, on va lui demander.
Je sais pas si on peut passer de l'autre côté par contre.
I've never seen this.
Never seen this?
Never seen.
So it's good. Now you can visit.
I'm a very good guide. I've been taking people to all the places in Lahore.
Yeah,
It's not here.
A Baradari was a typical, marvelous summer pavilion from the Mughal Empire, with 12 open doors intended to capture the breeze so the people inside can cool off from the heat. The typical red sandstone is everywhere to find in Lahore.
Pas de peinture, pas de métal, mais de pierre qui a écrit Farida, love you. Ali Hassan, love Java Mafia. Ali Hassan, love Java Mafia.
Mughal rulers of India hosted events in their Baradaris. Dances performed by their courtesans. But also poets, musicians, and mystics. This building is believed to be the oldest existing Mughal structure in Lahore, built in 1540 by Kamran Mirza. But some characteristics suggest that the current one may not be the original. The pavilion remained in use until the 18th century.
Are you okay? You sure you want to go there?
Yes, I'm okay.
Yeah, okay.
I'm a young old man.
Yes, you are.
We walked through the gardens to reach the river and asked a boatman for a ride.
Ah oui, oui, vas-y, vas-y.
Our driver helped us out with the negotiations.
Maybe 200, 400, you will understand.
Yeah, okay.
Our boatman was deaf. For once, our French, English, or even Urdu couldn't help us. Only expressions and gestures.
Moi ça me dérange pas. Ouais, c'est bon, on y va.
You want to take them?
According to official studies, Ravi is now the most polluted river in Pakistan. Some children dive down to collect coins thrown into the water, but most children who swim and play daily in this water bear skin lesions and infections. No life exists anymore in the putrid water for more than 10 kilometers downstream of Lahore. But fortunately, awareness is slowly rising, and several projects exist to revitalize the waters. Around 10 boatmen work here every day, taking passengers from one side to the other. They earn 200 to 500 rupees a day. Some fishermen and sellers also earn their living from the river.
D'après ce que j'ai compris, la rivière, elle a changé de direction. En fait, la rivière, elle change selon les années. Elle a changé. Je crois qu'avant, c'était plus proche. D'accord.
You people from France?
Yeah.
Paris?
Paris, yes. Yeah, you've been?
Every fragrance, every food we use made in France, Paris.
Yeah. Beautiful city.
Yes. What are the places, visiting places?
Yes. You mean where?
I mean, what have you seen? Basrai, Matlisha, Kila, like all the places, or just
Yeah, well, old city, Shalimar Garden.
Shalimar?
Here we've been to Jahangir Tomb.
Jahangir Tomb.
Yes, and
What's your experience till now?
very good. No, I like Lahore. It's been more than 1 week now. Yeah.
We have some eaten dishes, different type of foods.
Yeah. Exactly.
Very delicious foods.
Yeah,
Spicy,
food is good.
like
Exactly.
spicy. Do you
Street food is good.
have you an interest in football? I love France. Zidane.
Yeah. We are staying with a friend far away.
Far away.
Askari.
Askari, Kent area.
Yeah. Far away.
What is your name?
Farida.
Farida, are you Muslim?
Yeah, Muslim. Yeah.
Because, I'm sorry to say, because
Yeah.
we thought people French like the Christians, There are majority of
Because
Christians.
I'm not originally French.
Okay.
I'm originally from Algeria.
Algeria, Arab?
Yeah. Arab. Yeah. That's why.
Good experience having any people like that, like these.
Huh?
I video, like Facebook.
I don't use really, but she has a Instagram very famous.
Okay.
Maybe you can.
Okay. You don't have anything?
I don't use the social media.
Okay.
So that's why.
So explain you.
Yeah. Okay. Nice to meet you. Bye.
So video is okay for you?
Sorry.
It's okay that I film?
Yes. No, it's okay.
Alright.
Juste demande le 06 à ta femme devant toi.
On our way back, we walked to cross the land. There's also a superstition that anyone feeding crows at the Ravi will receive good fortune. Many vendors set up their stalls every day near the bridge and sell chunks of meat.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
But no matter the landscape, we wanted to attend something special nearby. A kabaddi training. Kabaddi is a traditional team sport coming from Tamil Nadu, India, and played in the subcontinent and all South Asia. The goal of the game is to score more points than the other team within a certain period of time. 2 teams of 7 players each. Each team must score points by both attacking and defending. When attacking, the offensive team sends across a raider into the opposition's half, who must touch one or more members of the opposition to score a point. When defending, the objective is to capture the raider by wrestling them to the ground or simply by preventing them returning to their own half. Farida and I were so happy to attend the training. And the good news is that Pakistan has won the Kabaddi World Cup 2020 last week.
Ouais, la prise qu'il est en train de faire, c'est super dur ça. Ah, ils sont en train de poser, regarde. Ils sont posés pour toi. Hein? De quoi? Je sais pas. C'est surréaliste cet endroit.
Another beautiful day in Lahore. full of surprises.